Alright guys, it's Mr. Microwave. We're doing microwave popcorn against the microwave for 10 minutes. I'm gonna open it up out the bag and put it in this bowl. See what happens. Here we go. This stuff cannot be butter. It's like lard. This is lard. For anybody that doesn't know, this is lard. It's not butter. There's no way it's butter. This popcorn is not, this is before. We'll see what's after. All right, there it goes. All right, here we go. 10 minutes, see what that popcorn does. Whoa. It hasn't even been 30 seconds and they're popping already. Amazing! This ain't gonna last 10 minutes. This is just gonna be a couple minutes. Whoa! They're like attacking Earth. Look at them. They're like little tadpoles jumping out of the water. Wow! That's really cool to watch. That does not take long at all. It's only been 50 seconds. And they're popping up everywhere. I'm not going 10 minutes. This is gonna burn and smell. Whoa. What the? That's hilarious, dude. They're exploding. They're literally exploding in there. It's only been a minute and a half. The whole microwave's gonna be full of popcorn. I should have did more. I should have did a whole container. It smells good. Look at all that popcorn. Just, they're not popping that much anymore. There you go. The bowl can barely spin because there's so much popcorn everywhere. Look. They're almost completely all popped. There's a couple more there in there popping. It's been 2.5 minutes. It's already starting to stink. I'm probably only gonna go 3 or 4 minutes with this. Because once they're all popped, I'm done. They're just gonna burn. It's starting to steam up. I can't even see in there that good. It's starting to steam. A couple of them aren't popping. Almost 3.5 minutes. Just a couple more pops. There's still just a couple more kernels in there. Colonel Sanders, this popcorn is finger licking good. It's been 4 minutes. I'm gonna stop it at 5. I'm not going 10 minutes on this one. Nothing else is gonna happen. The popcorn's getting dark in there. I think you can kind of tell. It's not gonna be edible. I just wanted to see what would happen taking it outside the container. It pops a lot quicker outside the container. That's unbelievable. We've got 30 more seconds. It's probably gonna be smoky in there. It's definitely gonna stink. We've got 25 seconds. Nothing's happening. I mean, right now it's just spinning. It was pretty cool at the beginning. Now it's just spinning. 10 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Open this puppy up. Wow. This is quite the mess. Look at that, popcorn everywhere. Not every kernel popped. Let's try one. Huh. That's actually not bad.
Amazing!
If it was in the bag for 5 minutes, it would have burnt. The ones that aren't burnt are delicious. Focusing on that. Wow, so that's what happens when you put popcorn in your microwave for 5 minutes outside the bag. It goes everywhere. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe at Mr. Microwave. Comment below if you have any ideas of what I should put in the microwave next. See you next time.